Hi, I'm Marilena Branco, Global Application Specialist at Biorigin, and today I'm here to show you how to prepare a great plant-based chocolate beverage loaded with flavor using a special dark yeast extract, Bionis YE DRK NS, a non-salt yeast extract naturally rich with roasted notes. Bionis YE DRK NS is a dark yeast extract with strong roasted notes similar to coffee, cocoa, and nuts. You can use here any type of chocolate vegetable beverage. It's very easy to prepare. Now it's ready. In terms of taste, this yeast extract helps to develop a specific cocoa roasted note and a pinch of bitterness, bringing mouthfeel and also at the same time improving the taste impact in the beverage with less vegetable protein of note. It is fantastic how this yeast extract works, creating amazing taste complexity, balancing and rounding up the taste of this plant beverage